How did we start KAM? We started in a small shop in spring of 1995. It was about 3,000 square feet. KAM is a full-service tool and die shop. The original vision was to be a world-class EDM shop, and as we grew, we progressed further into the machining capabilities.
We started as a wire EDM shop with 2 wire EDM machines, and then 3 years later built this building and added mills and lathes and really started reaching out into other areas of the business.
The owners and the management at KAM are continuing to invest in the company. In the past year, we've invested in a 4-axis lathe. They've invested in new tooling for all the machines just to help with speeds and feeds and cut rates. And they've invested in reverse engineering technology and inspection equipment. We have a 3D scanner now. We can come to your location and we can scan whatever piece of equipment or part that you need. And then we can take all that data from the scanner and apply it to our reverse engineering, build the part for you off-site, bring it in and attach it to your equipment. They've definitely reinvested in the company and they show that they believe in us.
Very few shops have wire EDM machines. We have 7. That makes us one of the largest EDM shops in the Southeast.
On our EDM capability side, we have Remote 360, where my setup guys, operators and programmers can look at the machine and see if it's still running. It allows us to know that it is stopped and we can come in after hours to complete the part. The biggest benefits of working with us, you are receiving a fast turnaround on a quality part. We do not leave until the customer is satisfied.